Oh, you're not going to just lay there and suck your thumb. Come on, you have to roll over. You've done it halfway. Landon, you're halfway. Here. What's this? Oh, is that your rattle? You got to roll over to get it. Oh, good job. Good job grabbing it. Yeah. Yeah, why don't you roll over? Girls, go away. Kona, move. Kona and Allie. Allie, go lay down. Come on, Landon, you're halfway. Good job, buddy. Finish it. You gotta move your arm. Move your arm. Move your arm. Almost, bud. You're almost done. Move your arm. Don't get frustrated yet. You're okay. Good job, Landon. Good job. Can we get a smile? Landon, can we get a smile? Can we get a smile? Please? Can you give Grandma and Grandpa a big smile? Landon? Landon. Hi! Kona, yuck. Gross. Go away. Kona, go away. I don't want to kiss. You're being such a big boy. Yes, you are. Can you roll back over? Can you roll back over? Kona, leave him alone. Oh, it's okay.